Hello, I'm Cameron and I'm going to show you what it's like to be a repairs apprentice at Currys.
My shift starts at 7 in the morning, so it's a pretty early start. I walk to work and I enjoy the exercise as it helps me give time to catch up on a podcast and get me started for the day. So here we've got the first job of the day, we've got a Lenovo, and looking at the notes on the system we can see that it's coming from the power button not working. I've always been interested in computers and how they work. When I was in college I did an IT course, and after doing some work experience for an opportunity there at Know-How at the time, I heard about the Repairs Apprenticeship, and so thought it was a very good opportunity to continue what I was doing and also get more hands-on experience. So after taking the board out to have a closer look, we can look in at the take a case splitter, and we can look at the power button, and we can see that it has been corked just on this metal here. So what we can do is just correct it. I really like the diagnostic process in the day-to-day job because it's like having a little problem-solving task every day, and it's almost like a puzzle. So after fitting it all back together, we can now see that when they put the battery in, that the power light is responding. So what we can do is we can now press the power button and it should now turn on. And just like that, the unit appears to be repaired. After about half an hour of testing and a spot of cleaning on the unit, and it should be very ready to go to quality assurance. Just need to make sure the notes are updated and everything's all in order. Currently I do 4 days a week working, and every other week we go to college on one of those days, and we do a lot of practical learning there. So we have quizzes, we also have hands-on soldering experience and preparation for installing a TV and fault finding in college. At my college group we have a few group chats inside and outside of work, so we do feel like a team, making sure that we can help each other out whenever we need it. Everyone around me is incredibly friendly or very willing to help if I get too stuck, so I can always go to my specialists and experts who are always on hand and very approachable, and so they can always help me if I'm ever unsure on what to do. This unit that's came in for a touchscreen issue, the touchscreen is only working outside of Windows, so it's likely to be a software fault. However, we're just going to check inside the unit in case there is any physical damage. At the end of this, I get a level 3 qualification in electrical engineering. It's a very broad, quite flexible qualification, so you can stay in repairs at Currys, or it can also help be a jumping platform to careers. Taking the unit apart, we can see that there's no obvious signs of physical damage, so we should be able to repair the unit under manufacturer's warranty as there's no damage related to the fault. For a faulty touchscreen, we've reseated the touchscreen cable and it has been working again. We tested the unit for a couple hours now and it is still working, so we can then clean the unit and get it ready to send off to QA. I want to stay on at Currys as I feel like I'm pretty good at repairs, and as extra career progression afterwards I would like to eventually be a specialist. Thank you very much for watching my video.